Welcome to our YouTube channel Info News Diary. Today, we will discuss on Kingdom Saudia Arab future, a bold and ambitious planning, and on the vision of 2030. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is raising its profile on the global stage. The country is investing heavily in infrastructure, tourism, and education, and is working to diversify its economy away from oil. Saudi Arabia is also playing a more active role in regional and international affairs. Here are some of the key factors that are contributing to the rise of Saudi Arabia. Oil wealth. Saudi Arabia is the world's largest exporter of oil, and its oil revenues have allowed the country to invest in a wide range of development projects. Strategic location. Saudi Arabia is located in a strategic position in the Middle East, and its control of the holy cities of Mecca and Medina gives it a special status in the Muslim world. Political stability. Saudi Arabia has been ruled by the Al Saud family since 1932, and the country has enjoyed a relative degree of political stability. Economic reforms. Saudi Arabia has been implementing economic reforms in recent years, aimed at diversifying the economy and reducing its reliance on oil. Regional leadership. Saudi Arabia is playing a more active role in regional affairs, and is seen as a key player in the Middle East peace process. The rise of Saudi Arabia is a significant development in the global landscape. The country is poised to play an increasingly important role in the years to come. Here are some specific examples of how Saudi Arabia is raising its profile. The country is building a new megacity called Neom, which is designed to be a hub for innovation and technology. Saudi Arabia is investing heavily in tourism, and is developing new tourist destinations such as the Red Sea coast. The country is also expanding its education system, and is aiming to become a regional hub for higher education. Saudi Arabia is playing a more active role in regional and international affairs, and is a member of the G20. The rise of Saudi Arabia is a complex phenomenon with a variety of causes. However, the factors listed above are some of the key reasons why the country is becoming more influential on the global stage. Mohammad bin Salman's vision for Saudi Arabia is outlined in Vision 2030, a set of ambitious goals and reform strategies for the country's long-term economic success. The vision is built around three primary themes: a vibrant society, a thriving economy, and an ambitious nation. A vibrant society is one that is tolerant, inclusive, and open to the world. Bin Salman has made a number of reforms in recent years to promote social progress, including lifting the ban on women driving, allowing concerts and sporting events to be held in the country, and opening up the tourism industry. A thriving economy is one that is diversified and not reliant on oil. Bin Salman has announced plans to sell a portion of Saudia Aramco, the state-owned oil company, and to invest in new sectors such as tourism, tea. An ambitious nation is one that is a leader in the Middle East and the world. Bin Salman has said that he wants Saudi Arabia to be a model country for others to follow. He has also announced plans to build a number of mega projects, such as the 500 billion Neom city, which he hopes will make Saudi Arabia a global hub for innovation and business. Vision 2030 has been met with both praise and criticism. Some have praised bin Salman for his ambition and his willingness to make changes to the country. Others have criticized the vision as being unrealistic and too focused on economic development at the expense of social and environmental concerns. Only time will tell whether bin Salman will be able to achieve his vision for Saudi Arabia. However, there is no doubt that he is a transformative leader who is determined to make his country a more prosperous and influential player on the world stage. For more informative news, please keep watching our channel Info News Diary. Please like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.